Yeah, a very good morning to everyone who got connected in this online webinar. This webinar is organized by the Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department in association with the Institution's Innovation Council. Startups may be small, but they can play a significant role in economic growth. They create more jobs, which means more employment. That means an improved economy. Yes, the topic for today is about prototype into a startup. Here we have engineer N. Rahul, founder and chief design officer at Ish Labs, founder and chief learning officer of Silvering Foundation, chapter director of a startup grind Kanyakumari as our resource person. He has completed masters in engineering design from Anna University and undergone design thinking courses under Jane Ledika and alumni of Draper University, Silicon Valley, USA, undergone entrepreneurship program. He also trained by Knots Design Thinking Company, Pune, and he is associated with Knots for design thinking training as a facilitator, and he is an innovation ambassador of Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. He also undergone postgraduate in design thinking from Symbiosis Pune, certified as CEFR level B2 in a test of English proficiency by British Council. He is the chapter director of Startup Grind for Kanyakumari, which is the world's largest community of entrepreneurs and innovators. And he is also a lead organizer of Techstars Startup Weekend Nagarkoil, which is powered by Google for entrepreneurs. He is the organizer of TEDx Kanyakumari and he is an associate member of Chartered Engineer of Institution of Engineers and member of National HRD Framework. He is the ambassador of National Education Policy 2020 and has 13 plus years of experience in teaching, entrepreneurship, and skill development training. He is the founder and chief design officer of Atish Labs, Lighting Latins Media Works Private Limited, which is the third design thinking startup school of Tamil Nadu. He is also the founder trustee of Silvering Foundation, which enables education 4.0 and supports supportive and collaborative ecosystem in education, entrepreneurship, child and women welfare. Silvering Foundation is the deployment partner of Microsoft India for deploying Global Skills Initiative modules and supported by NASCOM Foundation Big Tech program in partnership with TechScope for nonprofits. He have been awarded with Dr. Abdul Kalam Young Social Activist Award in the year 2013. Design thinking, creativity education, entrepreneurship skills, six hat tool, lateral thinking, innovation thinking are his areas of interest. He is a team winner of Startup Beacon Seattle, USA. He is the certified NLP and EQ practitioner. Atish Lab is a design thinking firm which uses design thinking as a tool to solve multiple problems, ranging from innovation needs to communication skills. He's, he trained over 3,600 people across the country. It's really an honor to have such an eminent person as our resource person. Now, it's time to hand over the session to Sir Raghu.
Thank you so much, Ashok Kumar sir, for giving this opportunity, and thank you so much, SCAD College of Engineering and Technology, for giving. And thank you, ஜோதிமதி, நல்லாவே இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணீங்க. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டீங்க போல. அதாவது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணுன்றதை நம்மளே எழுதி ஒரு சப்த கொடுத்து அது இன்னொருத்தங்க வாசிச்சு கேட்கறதுல நமக்கு அவ்வளவு ஒரு சந்தோஷம், அவ்வளவு ஒரு கரெக்டா இவ்வளவு நம்ம பண்ணிருக்கோமா. தேங்க்யூ ஜோதிமதி, ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டீங்க போல ஃபுல்லா அவ்வளோ வாசிக்கிறதுக்கு. இதுதான் முதல் வாட்டி எல்லா காலேஜ்லயும் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் போகும்போது என்னோட ப்ரொஃபைல்ஸ் கொடுப்பேன். எல்லாருமே பாதி வாசிட்டு பாதி முழுக்கிட்டு கம்மியா வாசிட்டு விட்டுருவாங்க. ஆனால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் கிட்டத்தட்ட இந்த போன லாக்டவுன்ல நிறைய காலேஜஸ்க்கு செமினார்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கிறேன். இப்பதான் முதல் வாட்டி எனக்கு என்னோட ஃபுல் பயோடேட்டா உட்கார்ந்து வாசிச்சது. அதுக்கு ஜோதிமதிக்கு ஒரு பாராட்டுகள் மற்றும் 5000 ரூபாய்க்கான காசோலை தர்றது மாதிரி நினைச்சுக்கோ. ஓகே ஓகே ஸோ நான் ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ என்னோட செஷன் வந்து எப்பவுமே நான் பேசி நீங்க கேட்க, மறுபடியும் நீங்க கேட்க நான் பேச, அது வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்காது. நமக்குள்ள ஒரு கம்யூனிகேஷன் இருந்தால் தான் ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பிங் செஷனே வந்து சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஸோ பட் அகெயின், ஸோ விச் லாங்குவேஜ் டு யூ ப்ரிஃபர்? டு யூ ப்ரிஃபர் இங்கிலீஷ் ஆர் தமிழ்? வாட் லாங்குவேஜ் டு யூ ப்ரிஃபர்? என்ன லாங்குவேஜ்ல வந்து நான் பேசணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்? சேட்ல கொஞ்சம் போட்டுவிட்டா நல்லா இருக்கும். தைரியம் எல்லாருமே சேட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஃப்ரீயா சேட்ல சேட் போடுங்க. தமிழ் பூர்ணகலா தமிழ். வெரி குட். பூர்ணகலா மட்டும் சொல்றாங்க, மற்றவங்க எல்லாம் கமான் ஆன்சர்ஸ் இந்த சேட் பாக்ஸ். எல்லாரும் தூங்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எல்லாரும் அதாவது செஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது தயவு செஞ்சு வந்து எந்திரிச்சு உட்காருங்க, சரியா? ஏன்னா படுக்காதீங்க. நிறைய பேர் நம்ம ஆன்லைன் மொபைல்ல இருந்து பண்றாங்க. ஒரு கெட்ட பழக்கம் என்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம்னா, மொபைல்ல சில விஷயங்கள் நம்ம கேட்கும்போது நம்ம கட்டில படுத்துக்கிட்டே இல்ல சேர்ல படுத்துக்கிட்டே நம்ம கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ அது என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் கிரியேட் ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, உங்களோட ஸ்பைனல் கார்டும் பிரெயினோட நர்வ்ஸும் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிடும். அது யாருக்கும் தெரியாத விஷயம். So it is not fair to it's not fair if your brains is getting affected. நம்மள்ட்ட ஒழுங்கா இருக்கிற ஒரு பார்ட் வந்து நம்மளோட பிரெயின் தான். ஆல் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ், ஆல் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் ஆஃப் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். லைக் நம்ம கை கால் ஊனமா போகலாம், பல பிரச்சனைகள் வரலாம். பட் பிரெயின் வந்து எப்பவுமே ஊனமா போகாது. செரிப்ரல் பால்சி வரக்கூடிய பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து பிரெயின் வந்து ஸ்லோ டெவலப்மெண்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க. அது கிடையாது. உண்மையில அது போய் பிரெயின் இஸ் அவங்களோட திங்கிங் தான் ஸ்லோவா இருக்குமே தவிர அது வந்து அவங்களோட பிரெயினுக்கு வந்து எந்த ப்ராப்ளமும் கிடையாது. நம்மள்ட்ட நல்லா இருக்க ஒரு விஷயம் நம்மளோட பிரெயின் தான். அது வந்து நம்ம வீடு மாதிரி, நம்ம ரூம் வந்து எப்படி சுத்தமா வச்சுக்கிறோம், நம்மளோட கிச்சன் வந்து எவ்வளவு சுத்தமா வச்சுக்கிறோம், அது பொறுத்து அந்த வீடோட இதே இருக்கு இல்லையா? நம்மளோட கிச்சன் வந்து பயங்கர ரவுசியா ஸ்மெல்லியா இருந்தா யாரும் கிச்சனுக்குள்ளே போக மாட்டோம். நம்மளோட படுக்க பெட்ரூம் வந்து அசிங்கமா இருந்தா நமக்கே கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். ஈவன் நம்ம அந்த பெட்ரூம்ல படுக்கிறதுக்கே கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம இருக்கிற நம்ம பெட்ரூம் நம்மளோட கிச்சன் எல்லாம் நம்ம நீட்டா இருக்கும். கரெக்டா அதே மாதிரிதான் நம்மளோட பாடி. அதை குளிக்கணும், அதுக்குதான் குளிக்கணும்லாம் சொல்றாங்க. இப்போ அதை விட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பிரெயினை குளிப்பாட்ட முடியாது. பட் இருந்தாலும் இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்களாலும் நம்மளால பிரெயினை வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியும். ரெண்டு விஷயம். இப்போ உங்களை யாரும் என்னால பார்க்க முடியாது, எல்லாம் அழகா இருப்பீங்க. உங்களை யாரையும் என்னால பார்க்க முடியாது. பாருங்க நான் எவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கேன், என்ன பார்க்கலாம். பட் வெரி சிம்பிள். தயவு செஞ்சு கட்டில படுத்து கிடந்ததை கவனிக்காதீங்க. கொஞ்சம் எந்திரிச்சிருந்து, நிறைய பேர் மொபைல ஆன் பண்ணி விட்டுட்டு அங்கங்கே இருப்பீங்க. பரவாயில்ல. பட் let us come to the point. Okay. So yes, Sujata ma'am is saying in English. Dr. C and Sujata, yes, I will be definitely talking in English and Tamil. I'll be using both these languages, Sujata ma'am. So definitely. So you need not worry on that. I'll be giving bilingual. I'll be giving bilingual. So Sujata ma'am, the majority is Tamil. So definitely I'll be going bilingual. Absolutely not an issue. Absolutely not an issue, Sujata ma'am. I'll be giving in both languages. So here I go with my presentation. So hope my screen is visible now. So if my screen is visible, I request everyone to have an yes in the chat box. Screen tarava theriyudha appadina, just give an yes in the chat box. Everybody, students, come on, give an yes in the chat box. Very good, very good, very good. Jyotimati says yes, Karthik yes, Dr. Billy says yes, yes, yes. Great, great, fantastic, fantastic. I'm getting a couple of answers. Now, my topic here is prototype into a startup. So there is a lot of misconceptions in prototype. அது என்ன சொல்றது, I'll say Tamil as well. Prototypeன்றது வந்து கன்ஃபியூஷன்ல பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, prototypeனா வந்து எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படி இருக்கணும். ஸோ நிறைய மிஸ்கான்செப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ வாட் ஐ வில் டூ இஸ் I will try to eradicate this misconceptions about prototype and where prototype is used. Comparatively, I'll be speaking with Google Ventures Sprint as well. Okay, so here we go. So prototype is an early sample, model, or lease of a product built to test a concept or process. So where a prototype is, you have any idea, you have set some ideas in your mind that you need to develop a product, or you need to see. Let me say final year project. So a final year project, say exam your final year project. So what you submit in your final year project, what you submit to your guide or to your faculty members is just a prototype. It won't be the final product. It is just a prototype. லைக்வைஸ் இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு ஐடியா உங்ககிட்ட இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்கு, எனக்கு ஒரு மொபைல் ஆப் நான் பண்றேன், வெப்சைட் நான் பண்றேன், இல்ல நான் வந்து ஒரு ஒரு மிஷின் நான் பண்றேன், ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் நான் பண்றேன், எது வேணா ப்ரோட்டோடைப் பண்ணலாம். எனிதிங் கேன் பி ப்ரோட்டோடைப். நீங்க என்ன விஷயம் பண்ணாலும் அதோட ஒரு ஒர்க்கிங் மாடல், இல்ல ஒரு லோ ஃபிடிலிட்டி, இல்ல ஹை ஃபிடிலிட்டி ஒரு மீடியம் ஃபிடிலிட்டி பண்றதுதான் ப்ரோட்டோடைப். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ப்ரோட்டோடைப் என்னதுன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Hope you understood what is prototype. So if you understood what is prototype, give an yes in the chat box. Give an yes in the chat box if you understood what is prototype. Just give me yes. Sai Charan gives me yes, and Ashok Sosa gives me yes. Rest of you, if you could get me what prototype, give me yes. Linda says yes. Great. So nothing but anything can be prototype. A working model or something. You have an idea, you need to know how this product will work. ஒரு ஐடியா மட்டும் இருக்கு, நீங்க ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து தயாரிக்கிறீங்க, இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, அது எப்படி கஸ்டமர்ஸ் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண போறாங்க அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியா எடுக்கிறது தான் ப்ரோட்டோடைப். லைக்வைஸ் a prototype is just you want to test an idea. You have an idea, you have a concept with you, so you have to test how the concept is accepted by the customers, and how it is going to work, or how is it is going to perform the operations, or how it is going to serve its intended purpose. So to test all this, we make a prototype. In coming slides, you will exactly understand what we'll be doing. So probably there are three types of prototype. First is low fidelity, called low-fi prototyping. So you make any high-level design concepts. Even Google, even a company called Google, when they are developing an application, see, getting a complete customized mobile application always takes time, and it takes money as well. It involves a whole lot of money as well. So in order to make people understand what our idea is, what my idea is, or how it is going to work, we can make prototypes. So the three methods. One is low fidelity prototyping. Low fidelity prototyping is it's using tangible or testable artifacts, even through by means of paper. Let me show this. I can show you a prototype. Sorry, this is my cabinet. I'm sorry, it's my office. I left that in my office, so I cannot bring you. So what I can show, yes, here it is. So now, if you could able to see the screen, this is a prototype what I have done. Okay, so it's a 3D printed prototype. I'm not showing it now, but if you have any idea, this is a prototype of a beam, the beam which I have made, and this is 3D printed. But not about 3D printing now. I'm going to share. So even through by papers. You take an A4 sheet, a prime A4 sheet. I'll take an A4 sheet as well. Give me a second. Okay, give me a second. Just a second. I'll take an A4 sheet. Okay, here it is. So this is just an A4 sheet. Even with this A4 sheet, you can create a mobile application. Simple. We call it as digital prototyping. So if your idea is a website, basically a website, or if it is a mobile application, your idea on the website and a mobile application, you can do it in paper as well. We call it as paper prototyping. Okay, it's a low fidelity prototyping. Low fidelity means it involves no money. Normally, see, to create a high fidelity prototype, you need money. Okay, at least you'll have to spend some money, but it will be a realistic model. But this low fidelity proto is not a realistic model. You can do it in a piece of paper, or you can do it in a digital, any of the digital aspects like Marvel app, or anything, or using cardboard, or you can use storyboards. I will say I have I have all those in my upcoming slides. Using storyboards also, you can create prototypes like this. Done. So this is low fidelity prototype, and next comes is a medium fidelity prototype. So medium fidelity prototype is a prototype which with limited functionality but clickable areas. So this is this is a low fidelity prototype. I can show you a medium fidelity prototype in next slide in couple of slides by then. So using this medium fidelity prototype, you can click on the buttons. Actually, it is built upon storyboards or user scenario, how an user is using a product. See, for example, you have a mobile. So you want to download any of your application from Google Play Store or Apple Store. So how you are going to do that? All this can be explained in a storyboard. நீங்க ஒரு mobile application யூஸ் பண்றீங்க, இல்ல நீங்க ஒரு வெப்சைட் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க, இல்ல ஒரு 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 ஆப்பிள் ஸ்டோர்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஆப் டவுன்லோட் பண்றீங்கன்னா அது நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அந்த ஆப் நீங்க டவுன்லோட் பண்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? அதை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க என்னென்ன ஆபரேஷன்ஸ் அந்த அப்ளிகேஷன்ல பண்ணுவீங்க, இல்ல இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ல பண்ணுவீங்க? The customer experience or the thing which you are going to do with that particular prototype is it will be explained in a medium fidelity prototype. And then finally comes as a high fidelity prototype. High fidelity prototype is something more close to a real time model. It uses realistic interactions. A high fidelity prototype, we can say it as a MVP also. See, prototypes, in the main confusion for people is they confuse prototype and a minimum viable product. Prototype is not minimum viable product. MVP and prototype is different, entirely different. See, prototype we can even create with cardboard, paper, storyboards, anything. But minimum viable product is something that people should release real time. And high fidelity prototype can be a MVP, where a website, you create a real-time website, or you create a real-time application where people can log in and they can download the data, or a working model like this where people can click on, or where people can enter the data or enter some values, etc. This is high fidelity. So for example, let me take an example of a mobile application. I cannot find any mobile application now. Okay. So just imagine that you have a mobile application. You can download an application and you can check what is happening in that application. So that is a high fidelity prototype. That is a minimum viable product. So prototype and minimum viable product is different. Don't confuse a minimum viable product and a prototype. So hope you understood what are the three types of prototypes. One is low fidelity prototype. It may be a paper prototype or anything to create a tangible results. And next is a medium fidelity prototype. And I'll show some images. And finally is high fidelity prototype. So why should you have a prototype? That is the next question. So very simple, very simple. What problem are we solving? What problem? Why we need a prototype? Very simple thing. What problem are we solving? See, in order to make a prototype, you should have an idea. Before idea, you should select a problem. What problem you are going to solve? Who is the user? Who is going to use your idea? And what is your strategy? When it comes to strategy, it involves how much money do you have, how much time it requires to create a prototype, and how many ideas you are going to test. See, there is no one solution for a particular problem. There are multiple solutions for a particular problem. So what problem you have chosen, so how you are going to solve, how many ideas you are going to test. So, and then we are prototyping or experimenting. It's a kind of experiment. It's part of a large design process. So in order you have selected an idea, okay, to make people understand, hey, this is my idea, you need prototype. அதாவது ஒரு ஃபைனல் ப்ராடக்ட் நீங்க மார்க்கெட்டுக்குள்ள வரும்போது அது சக்சஸ்ஃபுல் ஆகுமா இல்லையாங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரியாது. உண்மையிலே நம்ம மக்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்களா இல்லையாங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரியாது. Will the people like this product or not? We don't know. Or we have an idea. See, unless and until we test our idea, you won't be satisfied. People won't get what you're exactly doing. Unless and until you test your idea and make people understand this is what I'm going to do, it won't work out. So that's where prototype becomes important. You need to create a prototype, and then you need to make people understand that this is what I'm going to do. Hey, this is what my idea is. This is how the operation will look like. This is how you change from first to second. So I'll explain you how, where, and when. So there are basically three methods of prototyping. One is role prototyping, and is look and feel, and then final implementation. Let's see one by one. First is role prototype. These prototypes focus on everything surrounding the idea. So you have identified a problem, and you have created a solution, or you have idea. Not, we cannot say it's a solution. We have just idea. We have an idea to solve this particular problem. So you need to make understand the people about your ideas. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் நீங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டீங்க, கரெக்டா? ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் நீங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டீங்க. நீங்க ஒரு அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய ஐடியாஸும் எடுத்துட்டீங்க. ஆனா இந்த ஐடியாஸ் வந்து வேலிடா இல்லையா, உண்மையிலே அது வந்து எஃபெக்டிவா இருக்குமா இல்லையான்னு நீங்க மத்தவங்களை புரிய வைக்கணும். இல்ல உங்களுக்கே தெரியணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த ஐடியா வந்து நமக்கு ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுமா இல்லையான்ற டெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு தான் ப்ரோட்டோடைப் யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஸோ அதுக்கு வெரி பெஸ்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோட்டோடைப் இஸ் ரோல் ப்ரோட்டோடைப். They examine the benefits that the user will experience. So if I am using this particular idea or particular solution, what will be the experience of my customers? How it will be helping in a person's life? What the basic concept of my idea? How it is going to work? How it is going to affect life? How it is going to affect people? See, when Google have introduced Google apps, Google Play Store, the very first thing they have done is role prototype. See, initially, when you have an idea, you cannot say that this is going to be a hit. You have an idea in your mind. As soon as you have an idea, you cannot assure yourself that this idea is going to work out. ஒரு ஐடியா நீங்க மனசுல வச்சிருக்கீங்க, அந்த ஐடியா மனசுல வச்சோன்னு இந்த ஐடியா வந்து ஹிட் ஆக போகுது, எல்லாருமே என்னோட ஐடியா யூஸ் பண்ண போறாங்கன்னா சொல்லவே முடியாது. பிகாஸ் human thinking is very, very complex. Human thinking is very, very complex. You cannot just judge people with your idea. Okay. So in order to test, will your idea work or not, you have to create a role prototype. You have to understand the user experience, how the user is going to use my application, how the user is going to use my service. It can be used to any, as I said, it can be used to anywhere. It may be a product, it may be a service, it may be a business model, it may be anything can be prototype. So when it comes to role prototype, you are just examining the user life experience, how my customer is going to use the product, what kind of impact it is showing to my customer. Done. So there are a couple of tools for role prototyping like storyboard, body storming, journey mapping, scenario diagramming, and video mockup. I'll give an example. I have a couple of examples in the upcoming slides. Okay, don't forget this. What is role prototype and how we are using story? You can use storyboards, body storming, journey mapping, etc. You have this in the coming slides. And next is look and feel prototype. This is the most common type of prototype. Most common. Something you can touch and feel. Done. Normally you use it in a 3D printing. Look and feel. Normally we use a 3D printer for the prototype, or we might use cardboards. Someone you can touch and feel. Okay, this thing I can touch, I can feel. Okay, this I can touch, I can feel. Now this is a look and feel prototype. Understood? So why normally when you are making machines or vehicles or any kind of mechanical kind of products, you go with look and feel, because it should make people understand how it is going to look and how it is going to be felt. Your user's experience should be felt. You should touch, you should feel how it's going to work. Like, making look like model or work like model, wireframing interactions, interactive demo, paper prototype, anything can be look and feel, where she can touch and you can see how it is going to work. So look and feel prototype. That's the second type. Hope you understood look and feel as well. So are you clear with this, what I'm saying? If yes, even yes in the chat box. If there is some doubt, please ask me. Are you clear with what I have said so far? And if there is some doubt, please let me know. Anand gives me yes, and Hari Gayatri gives yes. Rest of you, if you got me, you got me. Yeah. Thank you. So, and then sorry, someone is unmuting. Any doubts? Sorry, someone is unmuting. Any doubts? Okay, no problem. So, and then final comes implementation. Implementation, prototype something. How will the idea be produced and delivered to people? How people is going to get this? It may be a technology. It may be a business model. It may be a production process. How people is going to implement it? So let me say an example. In 2015, I have patented with my solar tricycle. Okay. So there was a funder. IEEE was funding me for that project. So the fund was with a non-technical person. So he was in Tamil Nadu. So I was trying to explain what the idea is. We have sent a couple of sketches. Myself and my team, we were sending a lot of sketches to the funding agency. They were not convinced with anything. The sketches, diagrams, how it is going to work. We have connected over phone, and we have connected over video call. Over video call, we were trying to explain, but he was not at all convinced. Okay, நான் என்ன சொன்னேன் அப்படின்னா I'll translate in Tamil as well. 2015 ஒரு சோலார் ட்ரைசைக்கிள் வந்து பேட்டன்ட் நாங்க பண்ணோம். 2016 ஒர்க் முடிச்சோம். ஸோ எங்களுக்கு வந்து IEEE தான் ஃபண்ட் வந்துச்சு. ஆனா அந்த ஃபண்டர் முதல்ல வந்து ஃபண்டர் வந்து அவருக்கு வந்து டெக்னிக்கல் பர்சன் கிடையாது, கம்ப்ளீட்ல அவர் நான் டெக்னிக்கல் பர்சன். ஸோ அவருக்கு வந்து நாங்க எங்களோட ஐடியா எவ்வளவு நல்லா சொன்னாலும் சரி, கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணாலும் அவருக்கு ஐடியா புரியவே இல்லை, ஒண்ணுமே அவருக்கு புரியல. இல்ல அது இல்ல, மாத்தி இருந்தாரு. ஸ்கெச்சஸ் போட்டோம், 3D கேட்ல டயக்ராம் போட்டு கொடுத்தோம், எல்லாமே போட்டு கொடுத்தோம், எதுவுமே அவருக்கு ஏறல. நோ திஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஹவ் இட் இஸ், நோ கம்ப்ளீட் டென்ஷன். Finally, we have decided to quit. வேண்டாப்பா, நீயும் வேண்டாம், அவன் காசும் வேண்டாம், we are not going to do this. Because என்ன பண்ணா he is not getting convinced. And then one of my team member by name Kumanan said, sir, why can't we do a prototype? So why can't we do a prototype, like a real model kind of thing? And I said, hey Kumanan, to do the real prototype, we at least need 1.5 lakhs. And he said, sir, no. Let us make a real model, touch and feel model. So the problem with him is he cannot understand what we are thinking. We should make him understand that what we are thinking and how it is going to operate and how it is going to deliver. So this sketches is not working. We cannot do any animation there. So even animation, he is not convinced with the animation itself, sir. So what we'll do? So then I asked what we can do. Then we brainstormed. Then we decided, sir, let's take a cardboard sheet, scissor, let us cut that, let's make a final complete model, and then let's show to him that this is how we are going to do. Okay, then we purchasing for 3D drawing, for animation, all we have spent about 5,000 rupees. We have paid an animation expert money, and for 3D printing my boys have done, but that was not effective, so we have hired a agency to do that. We have spent almost 5,000 rupees. That thing was convinced. And then finally we went to a shop where we purchased goods. They have given us some 50 cardboards, attapati, we call it as attapati, the same attapati cardboards. We have got all those cardboards. We brought some scissors, we bought some tapes, and we got some sticks. Okay, we have made a 6 feet tall. So how our entire vehicle is going to look like? 6 feet tall, width, where the engine is going to be placed, the engine area, the solar panel area, the steering wheel, I mean, not steering wheel, the steering thing, brake, how the brake is applied, or how the brake will work. And at the bottom part, we have given the axle structure, the wheel structure. The wheel we made in a cardboard. Everything cardboard. We have spent only 100 to 200 rupees for these stickers and tapes and everything. Imagine only 200 rupees, entire cardboard thing. So we called him, sir. We have done a prototype. Can you just come and see the prototype out here? Done. That's how. Okay. Then he said he came, and we explained everything. So this is where panel will be. So this is how wheel will rotate. So this is how when you apply this brake, this is how the energy will transmit, and the vehicle will stop or the vehicle is going to run. So this is where we have the indicator. So this is where the light will be. This is the panel will be. He was convinced. And I said, wow, good. Yes, we will do it. See, this is the power of prototype. We have spent almost 5,000 rupees to convince this man. Finally, we are spending 200 rupees in a cardboard and we have given him how it will work out. We have sanctioned the fund. We have got very next day, we have got the first installment for funds, about 2.5 lakhs. So the total funding was around 4.7 lakhs. The first installment we have got around 2.5 lakhs, and then immediately in the next 6 months we have the second installment as well. And now we have patented and it is in Bangladesh now. So actually they have done it for Bangladesh customers. We have introduced it in Kanyakumari. So basically we have constructed that equipment for Kanyakumari fish vending women. But unfortunately, the design thinking concept we haven't used there. We haven't understood what the real need. So our product eventually failed in India. To be very open, eventually our product failed in India, but it became a hit in Bangladesh. Now I think I was in the first patenting team. Now the always this keeps on rolling. So now I think they are delivering about 100 to 200 solar vehicles in Bangladesh. So this is how we see once how this 200 vehicles is delivered now in Bangladesh. It all came from this 200 rupees cardboard prototype. That's the power of prototyping, my dear friends. So don't think that to create a prototype we need to spend lakhs of money. Prototype we can do it at zero cost and you can spend lakhs to create a prototype. That's up to your idea, what your idea is, how it is going to be implemented. Okay. And now this is what a prototype looks like. The second image. Let me show you the point. Just a minute. Okay. Hope you can see the pointer here. So this is a paper prototype will look like. So sign up button, get started. So now the concept is normally this is where people is getting confused. The very first step is prototype. We call it as proto think. We call it as proto think. You have to think like a prototype. You have to proto think. You have to, initially you will be having the idea. முதல்ல உங்ககிட்ட ஐடியா மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். எப்படி நம்ம என்ன ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுத்துட்டோம், அந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு நம்ம ஐடியா கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அந்த ஐடியா எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நம்ம மைண்ட்ல இப்பதான் இருக்கு. கரெக்டா? ஓகே, ஐடியா இப்பதான் இருக்கு. அந்த ஐடியா நம்ம பண்ண போறோம். தட்ஸ் ப்ரோட்டோ திங்க் ஆர் ப்ரோட்டோடைப். அதுக்கப்புறம் வீல் ஸ்டார்ட் டு ப்ரோப். அது யூசர் ஃபீட்பேக்கு அனுப்புவோம். இதுதான் இப்ப நம்ம எங்களோட ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல எங்களோட இன்வெஸ்டர் வந்து பார்த்து அதை கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணாரு இல்லையா? ஸோ அதுதான் ப்ரோட்டோ லேர்ன். ஸோ அது அவர் கொஞ்சம் ஃபீட்பேக்ஸ் கொடுத்தாரு. பேனல் இவ்வளோ ஹைட்ல வரக்கூடாது, பேனல் கம்மியா வரணும், நாங்க இவ்வளோ அதே மாதிரி வீல் இவ்வளோ ஆக்சிஸ் இருக்கக்கூடாது, வீல் டைமென்ஷன் இங்க கம்மி பண்ணணும், பேக் இண்டிகேட்டர் இந்த பொசிஷன்ல வரக்கூடாது, இந்த மாத்தி பொசிஷன்ல வரணும். Likewise, you have said, so the panel should be not exactly the same. You have to change the indicator. You have to change the wheel dimension. You have to change a couple of things. It cannot be the same as what you have designed. So you need to change a lot of things. Likewise, that is the second step. We call it as proto learn. Okay, first is proto think. Next is proto line. That is probing. Will your idea work out or not? You're testing. That's probing. You're getting suggestions and feedbacks. And final is proto test. That is a pilot. The problem is people confuse between prototype and pilot. Pilot is a final thing. Proto test. You will test. You will test the idea. Let me make sure 100 times you may fail. See, when Thomas Alva Edison was inventing the light bulb, he have made 3,000 prototypes. Before one tungsten filament bulb he was inventing, he have tested 3,000 prototypes. Can you believe that? 3,000 prototypes, a similar model with the various filaments. So he was piloting, pivot, and finally he have done one tungsten filament bulb. Likewise, pilot when it comes to pilot stage, it may fail or it may win. It is how you design this. So don't confuse between the prototype and pilot. Pilot is the last thing where people will test your idea, how it is going to market, how it's going to getting the users, etc. Pilot will be the last thing. Okay, so proto think, proto learn, and proto test. So if there is a doubt, you can clarify with me later on. So this is why you need to prototype. Sooner it fails, yield sooner the results. See, normally, if you're less confident with your idea, if you're only a 10% confident with your idea, you need not prototype too long. You need to immediately stop prototyping. You cannot spend for most of the ideas, the normal for high fidelity prototypes, the average time you need to do for prototyping 7 weeks or 5 weeks. Sorry, 5 weeks is the ideal. In Google, what they used to do, they said 5 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, they will select the idea. Tuesday, they will debrief the idea. Wednesday, they will create ideas and list of ideas. And Thursday, they will create prototype. And Friday, they will test the prototype. Only 5 days, Google Ventures. So that's a different session, and I need at least 3 to 4 hours to complete that. But meantime, I'll say why prototyping is important. Sooner it fails, you have got an idea, you have developed a prototype. You are explaining people about your idea. You are getting feedbacks. So as soon as you're getting feedbacks, you understand what is the problem with your idea, what is the problem with your product. So sooner it fails, sooner you're getting results. So that's the power of, you cannot feel, I am an example. I do invest in prototypes. My very first wrong investment came for a company where I invested around 90,000 rupees for just a website. I've invested 90,000 rupees for a website. 90,000. Fall short of 10,000 for 1 lakh. Eventually, no one was using the website. Complete failure. So that was my first lesson. Proto learn. And then I learned, so this is how you should not waste money. Let me take a prototype, how I'm getting users, what is their experience, what they say, and let me change that. So that's how learning is. Today I invest in prototypes. I have a lot of in PIC's this Periyar Business Incubation Center. I have invested in a couple of prototypes. So they were testing mode. I know, I do understand. I said to all those founders, there are a lot of student entrepreneurs. I said them, hey, it is not sure that you are going to succeed. You prototype your idea. It is better to prototype your idea before going into a startup thing. Sooner it fails, it gives the results. So this idea is working out. No. This idea is not. No. Idea, as I said, there is no one idea for a problem. There are multiple ideas. You have to test all your ideas with prototypes. You have to test all your ideas with prototypes. And let's say we have to check which is going to work and which is not going to work. So this thing, which you could see, this is also a prototype for a mobile application. For a mobile application, this is a prototype we created using InVision app. There's an app called InVision. Using InVision app, you can create prototypes. This is a mobile application where you use prototypes. Done? So I'll show you a lot of examples. Now, this is the second thing. As I said, this is a low fidelity prototype where you use a storyboard method. Okay, we call it as storyboard method. Using this storyboard method, you need to describe the scene, customer journey, how a customer is going, what are things you do, how the application look like, when he owns the website, what is each scene name. What first? Let's say, for example, you need to create an application for fitness training. So this is a storyboard method. What's happening on the image? Next, This is how I'll show you next image. You'll understand clearly. This is a storyboarding method for prototyping. Like, see this. You can just, if you're using in mobile, just zoom it. Just zoom it. You can see that. You can zoom it. If you're using in mobile phone, you can zoom that and see how the prototyping will work. See, this is an experience creating. This is just a paper. This is creating experiences. How people will use your product. For example, if you are creating a fitness application, fitness mobile application, very first thing you have to understand how people will use your app, where they will use, how much time they will run it, how this trainer should explain the people. Likewise, a lot of testing is happening. So this is how a prototype for something. It's in Google. It's in Google Ventures. This is a paper prototype to give a people experience how they are sitting in a conference. So how the conference chairs should be designed. And the second thing, you can see a theater, how people have to sit in a theater. This is all paper prototypes. And I do have some prototypes which I have done in a workshop in some other college. So if I have time, I will show you a couple of images which we have done in one of our workshops in a college, in a different college. So this is what prototype will look like. Okay, this is a paper prototyping. Simple, very simple. A storyboard method. This is called a storyboard method. Using storyboard method, we will create the experiences, how people is going to use. So for one best thing which we use for prototype is called prototype thinking. It's for rapid learning and iteration. So you always can generate new ideas. You can solve business challenges and you can validate solutions. This methodology uses how to test whether your idea will work or not. What is the problem with your idea? What customers are saying about your idea? What was the problem with the idea? How we can change that particular thing. Likewise, we have to use the prototype thinking. It's a methodology for rapid learning and iteration. This is an extra learning which I am giving. Coming back, this is very, very important. See, listen to it very carefully, how we have to do the prototyping. Number one, tackle the top risk first. What I'm saying is, you have an idea. Okay, you have an idea about you have identified a problem. You have identified a problem, and then you are going to solve that particular problem. Okay, you are going to solve that particular problem, and you have listed the number of ideas, the ideas which we are going to solve. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் நீங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டீங்க, அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கான ஐடியாஸும் நீங்க எடுத்துட்டீங்க. சரியா? இனி அந்த ஐடியாஸ் நீங்க எப்படி ஒரு ப்ரோட்டோடைப் மாதிரி பண்ண போறீங்கன்னா, எந்த ஐடியா எடுத்தாலும் சரி, அதுல ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும், ஒரு டாப் ரிஸ்க் இருக்கும், ஒரு மணி ரிஸ்கா இருக்கலாம், இல்ல ஏதாவது ரிஸ்க் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். ஒருவேளை கஸ்டமர் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாம இருக்கலாம், இல்ல ஒரு நேவிகேஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கலாம், என்னோட ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரிஸ்கை வந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு டாப் நம்பர் ஒன். Srinivas, could you just mute yourself for some time, please? Srinivas, could you just mute yourself, please? Yeah, thank you so much. So you have to tackle the top risk first. What is my major risk? Number one, number two. And then for this first top risk, you have to create a prototype. Or that's the first thing you have to consider. And say, I don't know. Don't come with solutions. You have to test it. See, எப்பவுமே நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பயஸ் டிசிஷன் எடுக்க கூடாது. இது இப்படிதான் வரும், இது இப்படிதான் மக்கள் யூஸ் பண்ண போறாங்க அப்படின்னு நீங்க நினைக்கவே கூடாது. புரியுதா? That's a very, very important thing you have to know. See, it is not your thought process and my thought process will be different. My thought process and someone's thought process will be different. The thought process are entirely different. நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு தான் ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமே தவிர, ஒரு சொல்யூஷனை எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு ஏதாவது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்துக்குள்ள ஃபிட் இன் பண்ண பார்க்க கூடாது. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு தான் நம்ம சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமே தவிர, ஒரு சொல்யூஷனை நம்மளே கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு எங்கடா ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு அங்க இதை கொண்டு வைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணக்கூடாது. You have to create a solution for an existing problem. So when you are creating a prototype, don't put your bias into practice. Just you have to imagine, I don't know anything. I have to test it. Let's test. Let's do this prototype and let's test. And then third step is take a mediocre guess. As soon as you're prototyping, I'll say this simple example. If it is 10 percentage, if you have only 10 percentage of idea, drop the prototype, don't do the prototype. If you know only 10% that this is going to be successful, that's a guessing, mediocre guessing. You have a basic intuition, only 10% that this is going to work out. If in that case, drop the idea, don't proceed further. If you are 60% confident that this is going to work out, concentrate. And if you're 90% confident that your idea will work out, go for a high fidelity prototype. Spend some money, no problem. Okay. Then leave in the reality of the user. See, you cannot design something ignoring the user. You should understand who is the user, final user, who is going to use your product. Who is going to use your product? Your end user should be in your mind. You should create a prototype. See, you have to collect feedbacks from the user. So you have to collect feedbacks from the user. So ஒரு யூசரால யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாத ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட்டோட ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பை நீங்க கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு இதை யூஸ் பண்ணடான்னு சொன்னா சொல்ல முடியாது. So you have to understand who your user is. For example, let me say this beautiful example. There's a fisherman community. So normally fisherman community might not have went to schools, the old age fishermen. So before them, you cannot give an Apple mobile phone and you can ask them to use all applications. They might not be good. They might not be good in using that Apple application. So that's what I'm saying. Live in the reality of the user. What works good for the user? Second, get incredibly concrete and specific. Be concrete. This is what my idea is, and this is what the result will be. You will be specific with the concept. Separate conjectures from actuals. The meaning of conjectures is you're guessing. Sometimes you might guess, this is my idea and this is my result will be. Now separate from your guessing and actuals. Actual is different, your guessing is different. Separate that. And look for the magic moments. Look for the magic moments. See, as soon as you continue developing the prototype, definitely you'll find the magic moments. Magic moments in the sense, somewhere your idea will work effectively. Take that thing, where my idea is working successfully. Something again, keep the 10% that works. So sometimes when you're developing a prototype, there's a probability of 10% that, I mean, somewhere it will work effectively. Keep that 10%. Build on that. And before you are going to scale that, you have to nail it. So this is what my idea is. Talk with 5 to 10 customers, 50 people, that this is what my idea, this is how my final product will be. Only after getting all these feedbacks, you have to scale that. Okay, that's the thing. So this is a Google design sprint upon building a real thing. So building a real thing definitely takes time. You have to build a facade. Facade, it will look like a real product. Takes less time. So building a real thing, it always takes time, and you have to ready for launch. Before building a real thing, you have to build a facade. Facade, it takes less time and it looks like a real product. Okay. So you have to have a prototype mindset. Just think that you can prototype anything. And second very important thing, prototypes are always disposable. நீங்க prototype create பண்றீங்க, அதை நீங்க வெளியில தூக்கி போட முடியாதுன்னா நீங்க prototype பண்ணாதீங்க. Definitely prototype தூக்கி போட்டு தான் ஆகணும். Prototypes are always disposable. Don't see, if you cannot throw out your prototype, don't do the prototype. Prototype are always disposable. In any way you do, your prototype should be disposable. Should have this mindset. Don't stick on to one thing. There will be changes. There will be all the time you have to make couple of changes here and there. So prototypes are disposable. So make sure when you are doing a prototype, just imagine it is always disposable. Build just enough to learn, not more. You should not be not less, not more. At the average, what you have to learn. See, only the major three purpose of prototyping is to get the user feedback or getting the customer feedback. Number two, to convince people. Number three, to test it. So only the main reason why we are prototyping is to test the product. Will it work or not? The main reason why we are prototyping is just to check whether this will work out or not. So build just enough to learn, not more. And make sure the prototypes are real. Real in the sense, it should look like an original model. Okay. So for you have to imagine that you're prototyping a mobile application. Don't create it as a website. If you're creating it as a mobile application, it should look like a mobile application. Even if you're doing a paper prototyping, it should look like a mobile phone application. Okay. And for this, we use something called Goldilocks quality. We use something called Goldilocks. So not real enough. This is a time versus realness graph. So realness, if not real enough, it will fail. And if you're getting too much, it's a waste of time. Just right. Should use just right. Okay. Don't waste your time, and the same don't build less. You should build just right. That's very important. That's a Goldilocks quality. So normally, if you're 80% confident that your prototype will work, you have to take only 1 day to build that. Not more than 1 day. In 1 day, you have to build the prototype. Don't take not more than that. Hope you understood what I'm saying. Building just right. So when you're building a prototype just right, it will take just 1 day to build your prototype. Okay. So this is one of the best company in Tamil Nadu, Brigade. It's in Trichy. This company is the one best company that they create prototypes like anything. So if you could watch the movie called Nanban, the Tamil Nanban ங்கற படம் பார்த்திருந்தீங்க, அந்த ஃபைனல் அந்த கிளைமேக்ஸ் வரக்கூடிய இனோவேஷன்ஸ் ப்ரோட்டோடைப் நிறைய பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. அது எல்லாமே வந்து ஃப்ரிகேட் இந்த கம்பெனி தான் பண்ணாங்க. தமிழினியன் அண்ணா என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டில் என்னோட சீனியர் அவரு. ஸோ அவரு பண்ணதான் ப்ரோட்டோடைப்ஸ் எல்லாம் இந்த படத்துல. ஸோ இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் சோலார் வீட் கட்டர், ஐ மீன் கிராஸ் கட்டர், சோலார் பவர்டு கிராஸ் கட்டர். ஓகே, சோலார் பவர்டு கிராஸ் கட்டர். ஸோ இது வந்து ப்ரோட்டோடைப் பண்ணிருக்காரு. இது ரியல் டைமா கீழே நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதோட கட்டர் இருக்கும். You could see a cutter, you could see a solar panel. This is a prototype. So it can be used for real time as well. Okay. And the second thing which you could see is a tricycle for a disabled person. So this is a prototype kind of model. So they can test on this. The person can test on this, how it is ride, how the experience which will be. So I should say India's number one prototyping company is Brigade. So this is what they reach in Trichy, Tamil Nadu, or very own Tamil Nadu. So this is how prototypes are made. Okay, this is a high fidelity. Please remember, this is a high fidelity prototype. Okay, not a medium fidelity or not a low fidelity. This is a high fidelity prototype. It gives a real experience. That's the best example I am saying. This is a high fidelity prototype. Okay. Next, I will show you this is a low fidelity prototype, low or medium fidelity prototype. This is a medium fidelity prototype where this is not a real product, but you know how the product will look like, where to calibrate, where to touch, etc., etc., how to move, etc. This is a low fidelity prototype. I mean, sorry, medium fidelity prototype. Okay, so this one is a high fidelity prototype. This one is a medium fidelity prototype, and I will show you a low fidelity prototype. So this is a low fidelity prototype. Again, this is also a low fidelity prototype. This is also a low fidelity prototype. Okay, this is also a low fidelity prototype. So once you are confident with your idea, any concept, you need to create a prototype before you're launching a startup. Very important that you have to test your see நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் அப் ஆரம்பிச்சு அதுல நீங்க பணத்தை போட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் அப் ஆரம்பிச்சு அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ராடக்ட் கம்பெனி ஃபெயில் ஆகுறத விட ப்ரோட்டோடைப்ல நீங்க டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி உங்க ஐடியா ரியலா வருமா இல்லையான்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் ப்ரோட்டோடைப் கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றது எஃபெக்டிவ் மெத்தட். That's why the prototype is getting very, very important. So this is a story of a company called Fitstar. So Fitstar, normally they use even storyboards to create what exactly they're doing. This company is supported by Google Ventures. Their prototyping story is excellent. See, I need some time to explain all this thing, but it's almost 12:30, so I cannot. I need some time to say this. But in any other occasion, if I'm getting time, I'll share you a couple of prototyping stories also. Okay. So this is how a prototype will look like, and let me try to show you a couple of prototyping thing that my team have done. Okay, I'm stop sharing from here and I'll show you a couple of videos. Okay, I think I should have it in my my drive. Give me a second. I'll open my drive and I'll just show you. It should be in my drive. Sorry, I cannot see this. Give me some time, my dear friends. Sorry, it's not available. I'll open my LinkedIn account and I will show that. How you can also do all these prototypes. See, when it comes to students like you, the one best method is that you're doing your final year projects. Most of if you are into your final year, if you're doing your final year projects, it will be a prototype. What you submit to your teachers is your prototype. So if you're really solving a problem, and showing that to your judges, you can get a lot of feedbacks. This feedbacks is very, very important. Okay. This feedback is very, very important that you can show to, you will get feedbacks about your product. That's how this is very, very important. Now, let me share the screen. So this is a one kind of prototype what they are doing. So prototype sketching, the storyboard making. Okay. This is what a storyboard writing is. How your app will look like, or how your things will look like. This is during one of our workshops somewhere. I don't remember which college it is. Sorry. Where? Okay. So this is the one way of prototyping, and I think they have also done a kind of paper prototyping also. Okay, so this is how a prototype is made. So hope you understood about prototyping and why it should be done. So when you're doing your final year projects, make sure that you do it effectively so that it is a prototype. So you get feedback, how you take a problem, solve the problem by creating the idea because you have time. And then make sure if it is really solving a problem, why can't you convert it into a startup? So the very answer for this program is one thing. Do exactly when you are doing a final year project, make sure that you are identifying a problem and you are solving some problem for a customer. Okay, and then test that how it is going to affect the people. Create it as a startup. That's the best thing to work on. So I am done with the session. So if any questions, please feel free to ask me. Please feel free to ask me questions if you have something. So why are you all silent? Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Vikram, sir.
Sir, myself Vikrant Tapas.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I wanted to ask you a question. Can you share with us all your email or the contact number so we can take suggestions or at least try to work with you in future?
Sure, sir. Sure thing, sure thing. I'll share uh, my LinkedIn here. I'm always active in LinkedIn. Please get connected with me in LinkedIn. I'll share my mobile number as well. I'll
Sure, sir.
respond.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Share my Any questions, please? Related with prototyping, any questions? உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் இருந்தா நீங்க கேட்கலாம். If any of you have questions from SCAD college, so if you have any questions, like you can definitely ask me questions related to prototyping or if you have any questions. So I don't know why you are not asking me questions. Waiting for your questions, please. Ashok sir.
Tell me, sir.
The questions asked me earlier, sir.
எல்லாருமே எல்லாம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆயிட்டு
so if you have no questions, only two answers. One, nothing was understood, and number two, probably people would have understood everything. That's all. So thanks for that. This is how the best way. This is the best way how you can convert your idea into a startup. Prototyping is very, very important. So what is the problem you are going to solve? Or so normally I don't know why these days when someone is teaching you prototyping, immediately they will go for 3D printing. They go for high fidelity. No, there are a lot of free applications. I will share with you wireframe models, like we call it as wireframe models. You can use even Figma. You can use Figma, or you can use Marvel app or InVision app. To create your prototypes, mobile application, or website, or anything to make you understood that how it is going to work out. So even it can be done in paper as well. பேப்பர்ல கூட நீங்க பண்ணலாம், ஒன்றும் தப்பு இல்லை. அது யாருமே நான் நிறைய ப்ரோட்டோடைப்பிங் செஷன்ஸ் நான் செஷன்ஸ் அட்டன் பண்றேன் நிறைய இதை கண்டக்ட் பண்ணும்போது. பட் எல்லாருமே வந்து 3D பிரிண்டிங் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி தான் பேசுறாங்க. 3D பிரிண்டிங் மட்டும் கிடையாது prototyping. In fact, 3D printing takes time. It is a materials printing. In 3D printing, you cannot get a real-time experience. So if you have to create a real-time product experience, definitely you have to go for a paper prototyping, or even cardboard is also very, very effective. Even you can do it in cardboard. So you have to think what idea you are going to solve, how much time I do have. That's very, very important. So if you're 80% confident with your idea, don't spend more than 1 day to create a prototype. In 1 day, you have to create a prototype. For student community, what I will say is a project is the best place. Identify a real problem which you can solve. Because normally, you know what? Why in engineering colleges, why we have 4 members when you are doing a project is not to share the money, not to share the money. What people think is that just to share money, not to share the money. Instead, why we have this 4 students is to have different set of ideas. One should be a designer, one should be a technically strong, one should be a coder, one should be good in communication. You have different see these maybe probably HODs or project coordinators. The next time when you're allotting projects to your batch members, please don't allow your students to please don't allow your students to create a team just to share money. Uh, all these 4 students should be from a different perspective. So when national education policy comes into application, the one good thing is that you have an opportunity for interdisciplinary projects. So when you are doing prototypes, make sure that you are going with interdisciplinary projects. See, a mechanical student may not be very much thorough with the technical concepts which we use in computer science. So a computer science student and mechanical student can create an electromechanical project or a computer science mechanical project. Now everything is mechatronics. So likewise, when it comes to artificial intelligence based prototypes, please allow interdisciplinary projects. Interdisciplinary projects is very, very important. It's high time that institutions could think of interdisciplinary projects. Even I am insisting to the central board normally in engineering colleges that won't be possible. Mechanical department students cannot do a project with civil students, but that should be how it. Sir, Saravanan, sir, to find investors for an idea to prototype is a little bit difficult. Investors won't be ready. Sadly, in India, we don't have any investors. I am the only investor in India who invests in prototypes. I am the only investor in India. Normally, no investor will be ready to put their money into ideas. Only you have X growth, they will put your money. The very first step to Saravanan sir, the only way to get money with the prototype design is FFF. Friends, family, pools. You should give the prototype design, and he could talk with your friends that this is what I'm going to do. Put money for my idea. Family members can support you, or fools should support you. Fools means they doesn't know anything but believing, like my investor. When I'm doing the solar tricycle, he's not technically strong. We said that this can be done like this can be done like this. We convinced him with that prototype. He have given us 4.5 lakhs. So at the end of the day, it was not working in India, but in Bangladesh. So then we have learned something. It is not effective. We have not done design thinking. See, when you are going for prototype, design thinking is very, very important. Unless and until you make a design thinking into practice, your prototype won't be successful. That's what I have to say. So no one will be ready to invest money. For that, yes. For that, you have to apply for government agencies. Only government funding, like BST funding, or scientific council money, or funds from like bodies like EDA. In Tamil Nadu, we have Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Institute. They do have a program called Voucher A, EDA Voucher A funding. Only these EDA Voucher A fundings will fetch you money with the grants. You cannot get investors for that with your prototype design. With your prototype design, grants will be available. That's what I have to say, sir.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Ashok
Yes,
Kumar.
Yes.
Sir, which application require a high fidelity prototype?
Sir, high fidelity product, if you're doing something like even mobile app like website, I'll say some Squarespace, use Squarespace, sir, or you use Wix, if a website. Mobile application, same, you can use InVision, you can use Marvel, all these tools to create a real-time high time, or you could use mechanical products. Or if you have a mechanical idea or if you have automation, you can approach Frigate
Okay,
to
sir.
create all this
Okay,
real-time experience.
thank you.
Okay, sir. So, anyways, thank you so much, Ashok sir and the entire SCAD group for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, entire attendees who were here patiently listening to my session and giving the good feedbacks. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. From the bottom of the heart, I will thank everyone. Please stay safe. Please stay safe. The situation is very, very bad. You know, even my close knits are affected by this deadly virus and a lot of bad things across. So stay safe. So even if you go out, wear mask, sanitize your hands. Make health is wealth. Health is wealth. Please take care of your health. Stay safe. Take care. God bless you all. So my mobile number is here. My email ID is here. My LinkedIn account is here. Please keep in touch. In any way, if I could support you, definitely I will support you. Thank you so much. God bless you. I have a meeting at 12:30.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, dear participant, the feedback link will be posted in the Google chat box. You can find the feedback form and fill the feedback form, get your certificate. Thanks for joining.